Welcome back, guys, to Ask Profe Angela, where you get to be the star of the show. Here we are in this amazing restaurant where we can learn a lot about English, like read, cook, or just to order. If you want to know what these words mean, just come and watch. Hit it.
Question of the week. Profe Angela, what is a verb? Tatiana, Barranquilla, Colombia. Well, Tatiana, verbs are words that express an action. For example, work, stretch, or read. Did you know that verbs can also show thinking and feeling? For example, considered or worried. See if you can find the verb in the following sentence. Tatiana was worried if everything was going to be all right. Can you try? Worried. Awesome job.
Now for this week's sentence challenge.
Write a sentence with the verb to consider in the simple present tense. Now remember, use the correct verb tense that will agree with the subject of your sentence. And if you need help, search online for an example and share it with us.
Thank you guys for coming with me to that amazing restaurant where we got to hear about a lot of different verbs. And thank you, Tatiana, for that awesome question that inspired this video. And remember, guys, write your sentences in the comment box below, and each week I will give you feedback. Alright guys, so that's it for Ask Profe Angela, where you are the stars of your English language learning experience. If you are my English language warriors, hit that like button. And if you like what you saw, hit the subscribe button and become a part of the APA family. Alright guys, have an awesome weekend, and I'll see you next time on Ask Profe Angela. Bye!